In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get citations in NotebookLM Answers. If you've ever wanted quick, trustworthy answers that show exactly where the information came from, this is where NotebookLM shines. When you ask a question based on the sources you've added, NotebookLM grounds its response in those materials and places small citation numbers, like 1 or 2, right next to the relevant parts of the answer. Those numbers are your shortcut to verification. Click 1, and you'll jump straight to the exact section of the source that informed that claim, so you can read it in context. Here's how to make the most of it. Ask questions that clearly relate to the content you've uploaded, such as the PDFs, Google Docs, or web pages in your library. The more your question references what's actually in those files, terms, topics, names, the more likely NotebookLM will anchor its answer and show citations. When you see a bracketed number in the reply, that's your cue that the statement is grounded. Click it to open the precise passage used, then skim a bit above and below that snippet to understand the full context, like definitions, qualifiers, or date ranges. Sometimes a single sentence in the answer might include multiple citations. That simply means NotebookLM stitched together information from more than one source. Feel free to click each number to compare how the sources align or differ. If you notice a statement without a citation, it may be a general summary across sources. You can ask NotebookLM to point you to a specific passage by requesting support for that line. Or you can rephrase your question to prompt a more granular, source-tied answer. Citations are especially helpful when you're collecting quotes, stats, or definitions. If you plan to use a fact in your own writing, always open the citation and confirm the exact wording and context. And when you move the information into your document, cite the original source itself, title, author, or link, rather than copying the bracket number, which is only meaningful inside NotebookLM. If you're not seeing citations, refine your question to stay closer to your uploaded materials. Mention key terms found in your sources, or ask for evidence within a particular document. As you review answers, think of the bracket numbers as a built-in audit trail. Click, verify, and keep what stands up. That's the flow. Ask grounded questions, look for the citation numbers, click to verify, and use what you confirm. With this approach, you'll turn NotebookLM into a reliable, transparent research companion.